welcome back to Lost Together Forever, the Motorcycle Diaries. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to further customize your motorcycle, as I customize mine. This is my 2021 Royal Enfield Continental GT 650. Now this particular mod will apply to both the Continental and the Interceptor 650. What I plan on doing today is blacking out the Royal Enfield letters, as well as polishing the side case, so it'll be more of a mirror-like finish, and the letters will pop out more. Now, first off, the items that you'll need for this are some paint, which I have a can of Tremclad high heat enamel, fast dry, and it's a gloss black. Any engine enamel will work for this. As well, I've got some cleaner. You want to really make sure that the letters are cleaned properly before you paint. Degreased as well. I've got some alcohol for degreasing, some masking tape to mask off before I paint, and then some 1500 and 2000 wet and dry sandpaper to polish the case up. So let's get started. All right. Now, first off, the first thing you want to do, of course, is make sure this case is clean, particularly the letters. You want it to be all free of any grease or grime, oil, anything like that. Anything that will repel paint, you want it out of there. So what we're going to do is liberally put on some of this simple green, and then give it a good scrub with the brush. Try and get into the letters. Make sure that any grease or residue is out of there. Couple applications of simple green, like say you could use brake clean, any form of a degreaser. That's not going to affect the aluminum of the case. A tip you should probably do as well is make sure that you read the label of anything that you have so that it doesn't affect the aluminum at all. You want something to be aluminum safe. Somewhat dry, so just an abundance of caution. I'm going to now use some alcohol just to really make sure that it's clean and degreased. Alcohol will also help to displace any water, if there is any water still caught in the letters. Now what I'm going to do is mask off the letters. Now there will, of course, be, after we've painted, there will be some black paint outside of the lines. Of the casing that you can mask off, of course, the less you'll have to try and remove afterwards. Alright, so I've done a little more masking, put the paper all up, and hopefully we're ready to rock. So, I'm probably going to do, I would say, 3 or 4 light coats, maybe even 5 light coats. dry, come back, do another after it sets up. Coat number 2. And you want to get the from different angles as well, so that don't miss any nooks and crannies. Okay. Alright, we'll let that one set up. Okay, so now it's the next day. We've done 5 coats of paint, 5 light coats of paint, and it seems to be well dried. So now we're going to peel the paper off to reveal. Alright, so let's see what we got. Hopefully everything is as expected. With no runs or anything. Okay, this is all new to me, so hopefully Alright, so now I've got a 1500 grit wet dry sandpaper on a sanding block. My whole purpose for doing this was so that the letters would just be smoothly or sharply. I'm hoping they'll pop out sharply, but anyways, we'll get on here with some wet and dry and see what we do. Do is take the paint down and leave the letters, hopefully. And once I get further into doing the rest of the case, I'll just use the paper in my hand, but stay away from the letters, of course, because I don't want to get anything into the inside of the letters. Just this little tip of the A there. Almost there. Thought the center of that A was never going to come up, but it's starting to come up. I think that looks pretty damn good. Oh. Another angle. Yeah. Awesome. I'm going to follow up with 1500 on the rest of the case and then move up to 2000. That's how it looks after the gone out with 1500. Now move up to the 2000 and carry on. Alright, so I've got it up to the 2000 grit. Still some very fine scratches. Now I'm going to do the Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and we'll see how that goes. So, I've got 2 applications of Mother's so far. Shine's starting to come up nicely. It's the first time I've actually used Mother's mag polish, but it's One more coat. Okay. There you have it. Looks really good. So, video number 2 complete in terms of the mods. If you guys have followed along this far, please like, subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'm just waiting for shipping on some parts, and we'll have some more videos coming up as soon as we can. Once again, thanks for watching, subscribing, and liking. Lost Together Forever, Motorcycle Diaries. Ciao.